In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit a text box in Google Docs. We'll walk through creating a clean, professional text box using the built-in drawing tool, formatting it so it stands out, and returning later to make edits with confidence. Start by opening your document and heading to the top menu. Go to Insert, then choose Drawing and click New. This opens a drawing window, a mini workspace designed for visual elements. Anything you build here will be treated as a single object inside your document, which is perfect for callouts, highlights, or neatly grouped text. Inside the drawing window, look for the text box icon. It looks like a capital T inside a box. Click it to activate the tool. Now, click and drag across the canvas to draw your text box. Don't worry about making it perfect on the first try. You're just creating the container that will hold your text. Type your content directly into the box. With the text selected, take a moment to format it so it reads clearly. You can adjust font family and size for readability, apply bold or italics for emphasis, and set alignment to match your layout preferences. Then, fine-tune the box itself. Use border color and weight to define the edges, and choose a fill color if you want a shaded background that helps your text stand out. Aim for strong contrast, dark text on a light fill or light text on a darker fill, so it's easy to read. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save and Close. Your text box appears in the document as a single, cohesive object. This makes it easy to keep your design consistent and prevents formatting from shifting as you continue writing elsewhere in the document. If you need to make changes later, editing is straightforward. Click the text box in your document to select it, choose Edit, and the drawing window will reopen. From there, adjust the text, tweak the formatting, or refine the border and fill to better match your document's style. When you're done, click Save and Close again, and your updates will be reflected right away. A quick tip as you work: keep your fonts legible, avoid overly bright fills that reduce contrast, and use consistent styling across multiple text boxes for a polished look. With these steps, you'll be able to create clear, attractive text boxes that enhance your document and remain easy to update whenever you need.